Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are taking a look into the Unified Drive application which just got a new update as a release candidate 3.2.6, which is the UNAS Pro. So this Unified Drive application update brought a lot of new improvement, bug fixes. We will take a look in this video. So they added support for backing up your UNAS to Amazon S3, Backblaze B2 and Wasabi. And they added support for changing NFS sync or async mount options. Also, they added support for changing the fan mode between cooling balance and quiet. So this was the long waiting feature everyone requested on the community to bring back a fan mode options to keep your UNAS Pro the temperature. I mean, at the ambient temperature of the UNAS Pro was getting quite high when you're using all drives. So they have added a mode you can choose between the cooling, balance and quiet. I will show you how does it perform on the cooling, balance and quiet in this video. Also, they added trash emptying process in to the task center. So with the task center, you will see the trash emptying progress also will be shown in the task center. Also, they added folder filtering to search function, which we have already seen in the last video, but they have improved this filtering to search function and user experience. All those things are improved, and the bug fixes, you can see they have fixed an issue. Previously created remote backup did not function correctly. So right now this is my Unified Drive application. It's I was already running on the early access version, so it just released as a release candidate. So I thought I should make a video and show you guys what this new update brings. So first biggest feature of the new update, it added a support to back up your NAS to other services like Backblaze B2, Amazon S3 and Wasabi. So as you already see, I have created a backup server, the remote backup server on the cloud service. I'm using Backblaze B2. As you can see, it's supported now Amazon S3 and Wasabi, and it is working without any issues. I've created a Backblaze B2 account, and I've connected my B2 bucket storage into the UNAS as my new backup. And as you can see, the backup is already done, and the next backup is a weekly on the August 31. So if you guys have a cloud services on the Amazon S3, Wasabi or Backblaze B2, you can use these features to back up your UNAS to the cloud services. After that, the long awaiting feature which most of the users in the community were requesting Ubiquiti to add a fan mode, because the fan level was high and the CPU temperature was also high. So it was very requesting features to get the balance mode of the fan. You can just click on this UNAS Pro. But they have added this option here, like right now my fan mode is already set as a balance. So previously there was no option, so they have added the fan mode options. So you can uncheck this, and here at the right hand side you will see the fan mode, which is quiet, minimum noise, higher temperature, balance. It will perform even balance mode, even cooling and noise. And the cooling, it will provide maximum cooling, more noise. The fan speed will be more, the RPM of the fan will be more. I will show you later. So right now I've set to the balance, but you can see my CPU temperature, it's set to 59 degrees Celsius. And even you can take a look into the drives, what each drive temperatures running on each drive. So if you go to the backup storage, you can check for each drive. So one of my drive is running 47 degrees Celsius. Similarly, you can check for all of the hard drive what temperature they are on. So I will go ahead and record and show you the fan mode when I set on quiet, balance and the cooling. So before doing that, when you do the quiet, it is not recommended. When you just check the quiet options and try to save, it says quiet mode is not recommended for long-term use. While quiet mode reduces fan speed and lower noise level, it may result in higher operating temperature for hard drive, which could increase the risk of failure over the time. This setting is not recommended for long-term use. If you understand and proceed, you can just click on confirm that. But if you use a balance, there won't be any such options. But if you use cooling, you can just save it. So I will show you about the balance. When you set on the balance mode, or how does it perform, does the fan noise is high or not. Even I will check for the cooling. So right now I've set the UNAS Pro fan mode as a balance. As you can see, there is no noise, it is quiet. If I set the fan mode to cooling, you can hear the fan sound. I will show you in a moment. So this is the status of the fan mode as balance. So I have just set up the UNAS Pro fan mode as a cooling. So as you can hear the sound of the fan, which is quite audible. So you can identify the fan is running. We will take a look at the fan speed and RPM. So right now you can check on this UNAS Pro, the fan speed is 100% and the RPM, let me focus, the RPM says 6642, and you can see the temperature is getting dropped. The speed is set to 100% and the fan noise is quite audible, but when you set on the balance mode, you won't notice the fan noise. It is running quiet and the temperature is also not too much high, not too much low. It's on the balance. But if you run the fan mode high, the fan on the cooling, the speed is set to 100% and you can check the RPM. So it is dropping the speed. This is how they have added the fan mode and you can control within the UNAS Pro. So you have seen that I have set the fan mode as a balance and the cooling. So how does the noise or the fan works on the balance mode and the cooling mode. So as you can see right now, I've already set up as a cooling option on the fan mode, and you can see the temperature in the CPU. So the temperature has been dropped down to 49 degrees Celsius. Previously it was around 61 62 degrees Celsius. So the fan works as you can see, it says to ensure optimal hard drive lifespan, the system dynamically increase fan speed to maintain temperature below config temperature. So the fan mode is working without any issues. When it's set on the balance mode, I have seen that it is not much cooler on the cooler side when you compare the cooling, because the temperature was still above 60 degrees Celsius. So I hope with the balance mode, the fan speed should be on a higher tone. So the temperature should bring back around less than 60 degrees Celsius to around 50 to 55. So that will be the balance. That is my opinion. But the balance mode is also working, and as you have seen, the cooling fan mode is working. I will put down a link in the description of the community release note. You guys can take a look into that, what are the bug fixes and the improvement. So I hope you will like this video. I think I will end this video for now. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you are new to my channel, please make to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.